How to track your Shein order number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find My Orders. Click on View All, which will open this page. Here, you'll find all your orders. Below one of your order that you want to track, you'll find Track option. Simply click on Track. After you've clicked on Track, you'll find everything in here. And you can see this is tracking number. You can simply copy it and track it anywhere you want as well. And this is how to track your Shein order. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.